Hi, my name is Frida and I'm the pastry chef here at Sockersucker. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do mostly all of my pastry creations and how I put them together. So today we're going to do our chocolate tartlets, and for this one we have this sable, chocolate sable. We have a brownie and yeah, some other stuff. So I'm going to get going. So in the bottom I have a caramel, which is a buttermilk caramel. I like to use buttermilk a lot in my products since it has a nice acid in it. So buttermilk is actually made from making yogurts. So it's the liquid inside of yogurt. So I put a little bit of this one in the bottom. That. And then I add the brownie. Just give it a little bit of pressure so it comes down. And then I will fill it with chocolate cremeux. The cremeux, I use chocolate which is called Mayan Red. The chocolate comes from Costa Rica. And it has a lot of fruitiness inside of the chocolate. That's also what I like because it fits together with the buttermilk caramel. Like that. And then we're going to use my favorite tool, the palette, just to make it nice and even on the top. And then we start with the chocolates. I have two different kinds today. This one is a dark one, so this one is the dark of Mayan. And I put a little bit on the side. And from the restaurant business, when you plate desserts, you always do it in this way, so I took a lot of that with me into traditional pastry. And on top of this one, we're gonna add chocolate mousse, which is sprayed using in the spray gun. And when I spray, I use 50-50 cacao butter and chocolate. We're gonna add a little bit more of cremeux. And we'll stick this light one into the cremeux on the sides. I'm using a little bit of absolute crystal here on top also, because everything is nicer with a little bit of gold. So yeah, basically here we have it. So it's a sable in the bottom, buttermilk caramel. We have a chocolate cremeux made of the Mayan Red from Costa Rica, and we have a chocolate mousse and some chocolates on the side. So good luck, guys.